and welcome to MAASters, where we bring to you the best minds from the AdTech industry talking about mobile user acquisition and trends. I am Isha Akhairamka and I am a sales manager at MAAS powered by Affle. Today I am joined by Dhruvil Jain from the marketing team of TATA Cliq, who will answer some interesting MAASters questions for us. Tell us something about yourself.
Sure. So, hi everyone, I am Dhruvil Jain. I take care of the performance and mobile marketing at TATA Cliq. Prior to TATA Cliq, I have been working with brands like ShipRocket, ShopClues, Urban Company, and Fab Hotels. Since into performance marketing and digital since inception. Thank you for having me here.
So, 3 ways e-commerce has changed post-pandemic for Indian users.
Pandemic, I feel the e-commerce has really changed in the terms of the offline sellers coming online. So there is a lot of movement there, and the users are more comfortable online now. There is a huge surge in prepaid share, so the COD has dropped, and there is a huge surge in users above the age of 45. So these 3 things I see are the major which have evolved after pandemic in e-commerce.
That's insightful. So 3 e-commerce trends you are most excited about for the upcoming festive season.
So the most important trend, like the most amazing trend I'm waiting to see is, there is a lot of customer acquisitions. So like we mentioned, there is a lot of customer growth in e-commerce. It would be crucial to see if they retain, if they are continuously using e-commerce or not. So that would be one. Another would be, there is a surge in consumers in the high ASP items also, like home appliances, laptops, which were earlier, everyone was struggling to sell. So that is a good, I think there is a good movement there also. And the last but not the least is the D2C brands. So more than 1,000 D2C brands have been onboarded in the last year. So, and customers are fearless to try them. So let's see how it pans out.
Correct. So yeah, I also agree. I think retention is one of the important metric to look at it. So yes. So next question would be, tell us the must-have KPIs for an e-commerce app.
I think when it comes to e-commerce app, the one major KPI is like how many people are actually coming to your app and browsing it, getting engaged with your product as your app, and how many of these are actually your power users. So these are the must-have KPIs for any app, and obviously when we translate them into cost metrics, so it would be cost per first purchase, install, and average revenue per user, and so on and so forth.
One buzzword for homegrown e-commerce landscape.
I think I would say D2C. Because like I mentioned, there is a huge surge of D2C brands coming into e-commerce. They have been catering customers. Customers are actually fearless to try them. And these are the above benchmark products with a lot of customer-centric development. So I would say D2C.
Great. Metros or non-metros, where do you see most of your users coming from?
Yeah, so TATA Cliq Luxury is biased towards metros because of the TG being there. So I would say metros.
Great. 3 categories where majority of your e-commerce spends come from.
That is, one is electronics, then there is men's apparel and women's apparel.
Okay. Now I'll give you choices, so you'll have to select either this or that. So app install or first purchase, what will be your preference?
First purchase. I would go with first purchase. Yeah, many people install the app, but when they actually use your app, that's the game changer. To give that first experience, which comes from the first purchase.
Exactly, I agree with you. User acquisition or user retention?
Obviously, user retention. People go after user acquisition, but if they are not able to retain their customers, it's gone.
Okay. Influencer marketing or mobile marketing?
I will always choose mobile marketing. It's trackable. You can measure it.
What is your favorite e-commerce category for window shopping?
Accessories. So any sort of unstructured accessories, the non-standard products are, I really browse them. And I really like that category because you can actually advertise it and sell it.
Correct.
So it's not exactly someone needs it, but you push it and you can sell it.
Correct. So I think Dhruvil, you did a great job. So that was Dhruvil from Tata Cliq answering some interesting questions on app marketing. Thank you so much, Dhruvil, for sharing those insights. And I would like to thank all the viewers who are currently watching this. Stay tuned for our next episode. This is Isha signing off.